Achieve stock market success with these top investing tips. You can earn quite a lot of money when you invest in stocks. You will only succeed at doing so, however, if you take the time to learn more about investing. Read on to learn some advice and tips to keep in mind when you are first dabbling in the world of stock investing. Pay less attention to the various market voices that are trying to bombard you with data on price points. This will allow you to gain more information on the performance of the companies you currently invest in or plan to invest in, giving you the chance to make smarter decisions. Do not look at investing in the stock market as a hobby. It is something that has a lot of risk involved and it should be taken very seriously. If you do not have enough time, effort and patience to take it seriously, then you should not get yourself involved with it. Prior to investing in a stock, you need to understand what a stock is. Otherwise, you could end up making crucial mistakes. A stock, also known as a share, basically entails a part of company. Therefore, when you buy a stock, you are buying a small part of a company. Avoid discount brokers. These brokers lie somewhere between the expertise and advice of full-service brokers and the low prices and fees of online brokers, but do not really offer the advantages of either. It is better to be at the ends of the spectrum to find true value for your time and money. As was mentioned earlier, purchasing stock is a fantastic way to make money. Stock investing is a time-tested way to earn a significant amount of money if you have some discipline. Apply the advice from this video and start making money today. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.